Have you ever wondered how our home, the Earth, came into existence? A question as old as humanity itself, yet every bit as intriguing today. We stand on this planet, gaze up at the stars, and the curiosity strikes. How did it all begin? How did the cosmic dust and celestial bodies conspire to create our blue-green oasis in the vast expanse of space? If these questions have sparked a flame in your mind, you're in the right place. Well, let's unravel this cosmic mystery together. To understand the birth of Earth, we must take a journey back in time, about 4.6 billion years ago. In the sprawling expanse of the cosmos, within a region we now know as the solar nebula, the stage was set for a grand event, the birth of our home planet. In the beginning there was only dust and gas, remnants of older stars that had lived and died, releasing their raw materials back into the cosmos. This dust and gas, under the influence of gravity, began to spin and flatten into a swirling disk. Within this disk, tiny particles started to collide, sticking together through a process known as accretion. Over time, these particles grew in size, forming larger and larger clumps of matter. These clumps, known as planetesimals, were the building blocks of the planets. As they continued to collide and merge, they grew into what we call protoplanets, celestial bodies on their way to becoming full-fledged planets. Among these protoplanets, there was one that was destined for greatness. This protoplanet, through countless collisions and growth, eventually became what we now call Earth. It was a violent and chaotic process, but it was through this process that our planet was formed, from the dust and gas of the cosmos, through the formation of planetesimals and protoplanets. And thus, in the midst of the cosmic dust and gas, the Earth was born. But the Earth we know today didn't form overnight. It was a process, an epic saga spanning billions of years that shaped our world into the thriving, life-sustaining planet we call home. First came the formation of the Earth's crust, a thin shell of rock solidifying over our planet's molten heart. As the crust thickened, it became the stage for the next act in Earth's evolution, the emergence of the oceans. Water vapor in the atmosphere, released by volcanic activity, condensed and fell as rain for thousands of years, filling the planet's basins and giving birth to the world's first seas. Simultaneously, the atmosphere was developing. It was initially composed mostly of nitrogen and carbon dioxide, with only trace amounts of oxygen. However, once life began to take hold, photosynthesizing bacteria started releasing oxygen into the atmosphere, turning it into a breathable haven for future life forms. But Earth's evolution wasn't all smooth sailing. Around 4 billion years ago, our young planet was subjected to the Late Heavy Bombardment, a period of intense asteroid and comet impacts. These celestial onslaughts not only reshaped Earth's surface but also brought water and other essential elements, playing a critical role in the genesis of life. Over hundreds of millions of years, Earth transformed from a fiery ball of molten rock into a blue and green oasis of life. A testament to the power of time, patience, and the relentless forces of nature, our Earth is a marvel of cosmic evolution. So, we've journeyed through billions of years of cosmic history to see how our home planet came to be. It's a journey that began with a vast solar nebula, a cloud of dust and gas swirling in an endless cosmic dance. Over time, this nebula condensed, forming our sun and the planets of our solar system, including Earth. The early Earth was a hot, volatile place, its surface constantly reshaped by violent volcanic activity and bombarded by asteroids. But over the eons, our planet cooled and solidified, giving rise to the continents and oceans we know today. Life, too, found a way to thrive in this new world. From the simplest microorganisms to the vast diversity of plants and animals we see today, life has continually adapted and evolved, shaping and being shaped by the world around it. And let's not forget the role of water in all of this. The presence of water on Earth is what makes our planet so unique in the solar system. It's the lifeblood of our world, the key ingredient that makes life as we know it possible. But perhaps the most remarkable thing about Earth's formation is the sheer scale and complexity of the processes involved. From the nuclear fusion in the heart of the sun to the geological forces that shape our planet's surface, the story of Earth's formation is a testament to the incredible processes that shape our universe. Isn't it incredible to think about how far we've come?